Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Gary, and for today's video I thought I would show you my no makeup or makeup routine for summer. And basically this is my routine that I do every single day, so let's get into it. You're young and complicated. You still got time to. You're young and complicated. You still got time. And the first step for me is skincare. The secret for good looking makeup is to have very hydrated, moisturized face. And I've been absolutely loving the Ordinary products and this serum. This is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. It's very light but extremely hydrating on your skin, and it makes it super fresh and glowy. And this is the Nivea Spf 50 with Q10. It's anti-age and anti-pigments. It smells amazing, and it's also very nourishing on the skin. And now when my face base is very hydrated, and then I go in with another moisturizing type of product. And for summer I really don't like foundation. It feels very heavy and cakey on the skin, but I absolutely love BB creams, and I've been loving the Garnier BB creams. I use the shades light and medium. In the winter I usually use the classic light. It's very hydrating, and this one is medium for oily skin, and this one is mattifying. I usually use this in summer, but for the first time in many years I'm not tanned enough, so I mix these two shades. I just absolutely love BB cream. This is a game-changing product for me, because ever since I started using them I just cannot go back for everyday makeup for any season. I just go for a BB cream. I just love the natural fresh looking skin with BB creams, and I just rub the product with my fingers, and you can see my skin tone now looks very even, but it's still fresh and glowy, and it looks like skin. Next is eyebrows, and I just lightly brush them up with a spoolie, and I go in with the L'Oreal brow pomade in brunette. I think I've been using this brow pomade for almost a year now, and I absolutely love it. The color is really nice, and it's super easy to shape and fill in your eyebrows. For setting my eyebrows I use the Benefit Gimme brow gel. This just has to be the best brow gel. It really keeps your eyebrows in place all day long. Next I use a little bit of cream contour, and this is the Flormar contour stick in 03. This is the medium deep. I just lightly bounce the stick on my face, and this is a very beautiful shade. And I just lightly buff it with a brush with an upwards motion. And my skin already looks a lot more bronzy. I definitely think cream products look a lot more natural, and I really want to try cream blush as well. For concealer I use my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade number 15. This is very light and natural looking concealer, and I apply just a little dot in the inner corner and at the end of your eye, and this way it will instantly lift your face and just lightly blend that in. To set my concealer, my Holy Grail powder is the NYX HD finishing powder in banana. It's super fine, it makes your under eyes super smooth, and sometimes I even set my face with it. It's really good. And I just try to keep the powder just under my eyes and in my T-zone because I love my face and my makeup to look a little bit more glowy. For my eyes, I use only two products. First is the bronzing powder from Max Factor in 01 Golden. This is a pretty similar color to the MAC Gimme Sun. It's this a very orangey kind of bronzer with a little bit of shimmer. I wouldn't say it's a dupe, but it's a very close color to the MAC Gimme Sun. It's basically the same kind of vibe. And I just run a little bit of bronzer in my crease. This gives a really nice, beautiful but natural definition to your eyes. And with the same brush, I just pinch it a little bit and I run the bronzer on my lower lash line. On my eyelids, my absolute favorite product for the summer is Cream Pot eyeshadows. This one is from the drugstore. This is the brand Trend It Up highlightening eyeshadow. It's cream and waterproof. You can find this only in Europe, I think, but you can get something very similar from Maybelline, from Colourpop, and if you want something more high-end, from Charlotte Tilbury as well. Cream shadows are just so easy to use, super blendable, and just the easiest, quickest way to do your eye makeup. And instead of cream shadow, you can use liquid eyeshadow. It's pretty much the same effect, and I think it looks very natural and pretty. Then I use the same bronzer on my face, and I love a lot of bronzer during the summer. A little bit on the nose to give that sun-kissed natural look. On the forehead, never forget the forehead. It's super pretty for summer. And a little bit on the chin. To finish off the eyes, I will add a little bit of mascara, and this is the Essence Lash Princess. It's really, really good. And actually for summer I want to get the waterproof version. It will be really good because it won't transfer at all. And this is how the mascara looks like. I hope you can see on camera, but this one is really good and I highly recommend it. It's so inexpensive, but it's really nice. My new makeup obsession is blush. It's super trendy at the moment. Everybody is crazy about blush, and I have this really pretty blush from Essence. It's 20 Berry Me Up, and it's this pinky kind of nude. I think it looks very pretty and youthful, and I like to apply my blush a little bit higher because this way it lifts up your face once again. With blush I'm also quite generous because it fades really quickly. And what's left on the brush I do also put on my nose. It's again this very sun-kissed. And last but not least, my favorite part is lips, and I use these two products. This is the NYX lip liner in nude truffle, super pretty brownish nude, and then I go in with the shine wet look lip gloss from Essence. It's super shiny and pretty. I just line my lips, but also lightly fill them in with this brownish nude. And then for the lip gloss. Almost forgot about highlighter, but it's not a step that I want to miss. And I really love the golden shade from the Glow to Go palette from Essence. It's the perfect golden highlighter. And also on my brow bone. So this is it for my no makeup everyday look for summer. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!